About for the countdown, say, like say,
All right, all right, all right. Okay, so now the objective of this course is for us to be able to enable HTTPS, all right, SSL on our website. That is the objective. Okay, how how to enable SSL slash TLS on your website. So SSL was it? Secure what? Secure shell layer. All right. TLS was it? Transport layer secure. Okay. PKI, what is it? Private keywords, inter that thing, right? And PKI, yes, TLS. CSR is what? Certificates signing what? Requests. Uh-huh. What else? CRT is what? Certificates. Eh? A certificate. SSC. SSC. SS. SSC. NPM.
they're not shocking now, but we don't. So,
All right, all right, all right. Okay. So the idea is just that. So I'm going to be doing it level by level. We did the level by level and saw how we, all right, we had that challenge. All right, so I want to do that by level again. So the first thing I'll do, I'm going to generate one, generate my what? Generate private key. Two is what? Now using the private key, generate what? Your what? CSR, certificate signing authority. Now using your CSR and private key, you do what? Generate your what? Certificates. Okay? All right. So the moment that is done, you want to have a location where you save all your certificates, private keys, around your keys. Okay? Now, the fourth one is install the prerequisite. What's the prerequisite? Okay, install what? Open SSL by default is there. Come to the machine, right? Mode underscore what? SSL. So these are the two packages you need. All right, packages you need. What else? Python. No, PHP. I don't yes now. I don't need for SSL. All right. Now you need to now go into the configuration file and do your magic. All right. Okay. So let's see how we can generate private key. Now see what this is what I'm doing. I'll go to Google. I'll go to Google. I'll just type in there rating private key using what? Open SSL. All right. Um, digital generating using Open SSL. Let me see what this guy they've done. RSA private key. Um, okay. GRSA out. This is it. So this is what they just did. Okay. Now This is for dot pen, but our own will be dot key. So the first thing first, you say what? Open SSL, then RSA, all right? Generate RSA. Uh-huh. What do you say? Key out, right? Out this key. Then out the key name. Key name is what? Let's say domain dot what? Dot key. How many bits of encryption you want to use? 2048. I want to use 2048.
PS3 options missing.
No, don't need it.
Colon.
No, 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 no. Don't need it. You get me?
No.
We're not using des 3. So that is it. The des 3 is to encrypt your private key.
No. It is when we use the string that it's not ask for a password.
You have a passphrase. Easy now. So if I'm using, let me put this now. 1. If I now put here dash des 3. So this is what we get. We get enter passphrase. You're encrypting your private key. That's the meaning of that des 3. Or it's an algorithm for encryption. Encryption algorithm, des 3. That algorithm mad. All right. So we have, let me remove that guy, domain 1. Okay. So if I say this cat, I have my what? Private key. Next thing we need to do is what? CSR. Now, let's see if this guy still have it. Doesn't. Private EC key. Doesn't. Close it because only requested for that. Okay. Um, this guy does it. Does it? Gen key. No, does not. Close it. Now, generating what? Your what? CSR Linux. Okay. CSR what? How to generate CSR? Let's go here and see. Let's see how to generate CSR Linux. Okay. So these are the steps you follow. Come here. All right. So this guy is saying. Okay. Now enter CSR and private key command. So that's it. Let's check what this guy also said about it. Let's check. It's the same thing. Private key and all right. You don't even use why they putting no this. Are they mad? All right. So now this is what we'll do. You come back here. Okay. So what? Open SSL request new. It's cool. You guys combine everything. I don't want to combine everything. Come here. It's still the same. Okay. Request new. Um, new key. I give an example here. Okay, dash new key, okay, is what RSA. Repeat encryption is what 20 what 2048. All right. Then I say what no des. All right. No des. No des encryption. Key out is what domain dot key. All right. Then output waiting. Output what domain dot what CRT. Okay. Generating instead ng country name ng state of origin Lagos locality G bold organization Bob Africa unit DevOps common name key common name very important. Don't joke with the common name. So this is where the certificate will be tied to. So this very instance, the instance now. Copy the ID. come here, paste it. That's what I want to use. Email, this is how can I go. Challenge password, no, nothing, nothing. That's it. If I do LL, I should get my CR, fuck you, CSR, CSR. I'm going to put CSR. CSR. Hey, CSR. CSR. Apologies. NG. Lagos. Lagis. Okay. All right. All right. That's done. So LL. So let me remove the other one. CRT. Okay. This is not what we want. Okay. Now the last step is what? Generating your what? Certificates. Ah, go back to Google again. Go back to Google. You say what? Generating SSL certificates. Linux. Let's scroll. Using Open SSL. Watch oh, see the way they do am oh, I dey take my time now. Now go. Let's see. um I think I like work man. I think I like work. If you see the responsibility work. This is the first part, private key. This second part, key, CSR, certificate requests. This is going well. Um okay. Okay. All right. Let's see. All right. So this is the part now. Using this standard, right? So this is the part we want to do. This part will define our certificate. So say open SSL, open SSL using the standard X509 requests what SHA 2 what 56. Number of days is what 365. I'm inputting my CSR, right? Domain.csr. Okay. I'm now using my CSR to sign my certificate. Dash waiting. Sign what? Sign key. My sign key will be what? The what? Key. And I'm outputting my what? Domain ERT. That's it. Getting private key. That's it. Right? So I now have those three files. I mean, that's it. So the next step now, I don't have Apache installed on this machine. I want to install Apache. I'll say what? Yum install H what? HTTP there. Alright? Install abi. I need to start the service, right? System CTL install, right? HTTP what? PD. So far, if I come here now and check my website, check my website, I should get default Apache page. Alright? This goes to say that Apache is installed on this machine.
Sure it is. You don't have it around and they don't feel like much.
Is you attach domain to this. That's when elastic IP comes down. All right. You use your Route 53. You create a domain name, you buy domain name, and domain name now you now use that domain name inside of your virtual host, that setting where they say server name. Server name will be Christian at Yahoo christianbees.com. It's a verified domain, so I'm using it. This my website should use christianbees.com.
So if I want to actually into website like this, what's about is it the same IP address that we use? Or
No, we don't have a name. That's why we're using IP. DNS is to resolve name to IP and IP to name, but don't have a name. Don't have a name. All right. So there's no way we can assign any name because that name is not. It's not on DNS. It's not a DNS record. We don't have a DNS record for that IP. So we have to create an A record mapping an IP to a name.
no, I think that was like three that would do that.
That's 53. Uh, uh,
So see, it's free. And dot code.
if we pay for everything, how you say you're free?
That was free. That was for
Should we go that route?
it's so far expensive.
Uh,
Just want to understand okay, okay, the organization say okay, use
Domain name. Oh yeah, mo go that route.
yes,
Duplicate. Mo go that route. I'll say wetin. Route meaning route 50, route 53. So what do we do? Go to what? Hosted zone. Abi create what? Hosted zone. And I've been do this thing. Domain name. Domain name. Chris Foundation .org. ChrisFoundation.org. It's gonna be public. Alright. Create your hosted zone. Created. Now inside Chris, alright. Okay, for you just okay, and they come. Now inside here, I want to create records, domain records. I'll click what? Create record. Okay. Now, the record name is what? How should I be? Okay. Charity will be charity.peacefoundation.org. Abi, so the record type is what? A record. So what's the type? Type is what? I'm mapping it to my IP, my machine IP. I'm sorry, I give it because I know in practice. My machine IP. Time to leave. Send and to send. Routing policy, keep it simple. Simple routing. What do I do? Create records. Let me see if this thing will work. So we have charity.chrisfoundation.org is mapped to what? This IP. This IP. Now this is just local to this machine. I will now bring up my machine. I'm through with DNS now. I will now go and set this same thing inside my etc host file. All right, etc host file. Come down. I will paste my IP to charity dot chrisfoundation.org. I will go again. I will say Chris Foundation.org. I will go again. I say what? Charity. Hmm? escape, save and quit. Abi? Now if I ping Charity to answer me because it's resolving. Alright? It's resolving, right? So it's resolving what? This name. Okay? If I ping that name, ma see if you go answer. 35. Okay, bring anything. Let me bring anything now. Just that. Charity. Okay. That's all, Abi. DNS is okay. Have I installed HTTP? I have installed, right? So let's see if you can use HTTP. Create wetin? Charity dot chrisfoundation.org. But you no go. You get me? Alright. Okay. So now we need to go and define this inside of virtual host. So vim etc http conf httpd.conf. This for 8080. This for 80 o. Now I'll go to the bottom. Alright. But should be below here. Alright. Open it there. I'll do virtual wetin? Agba wetin be dis here? Virtual what do we do? Asterisk colon what? How can it be 90? Alaye ver the all will be on 80.
This charity is the 90 inside. Because on top, there's
You're accessing your site on 80.
really far around our charity investing inside. On in front of them, there's things in general.
No, we are using see when HTTP.
Yes.
Alright. All the ports listings on 8. What is changing? That day is because we are using one IP address. We are using one IP address to host multiple websites. Website A is running on port 80 already. Website B on the same machine. I don't know. We were able to access it. Or what happened that day? Via C80. Maybe something else. We use something else. But yeah, it did wrong. I think it's wrong like that. It's wrong like that. But we still use 80. Get me? We still use 80. Yes, yes, yes. Now it is same because we don't have DNS that is resolving the names. It's just one IP. My first website 192.168.10.10. On this is the machine now. This is the machine, the VM. I launched this thing at the C website thing. A. Website A no get domain name. Now this thing wey dey use. I wan go launch another virtual domain, website B. I can't give it 80 again because if I launch this thing, na A dey show. So it come force me to change the ports. Na wetin dey happen that day. You get me? Na im dey happen that day. If not, ordinarily, if there's a resolution, domain name resolution, we have a domain name already. We can't be using same domain. We can always use one IP, but different domain. Now, I know they use IP. Now, domain name I go dey use. Did you get? A domain name. All right. So virtual host, close that. Then come inside. All around, I'll say what? Document it first. It's what? Slash var www html. Next one is what? Server name. Server name is what? Charity dot chrisfoundation.org. Okay. Next one is what? No, next one. Next one's good. Okay, server admin. Can you server admin? Document root is there. Um, mm, that's all, eh? That's all now. All right. So we are true. We are true. We are true. Document root is there. Let me put this in quotes. Okay. Escape, save and what? Quit. What do we do? You test your what? Test your stuff. It's okay, right? It's okay. Okay. So if I now say call system still okay. System CTL you start what? HTTPD. Okay. When I say call, waiting. Please charity dot peace foundation.org. Okay, see now in the machine now is resolving, right? The machine is resolving because we have local DNS. If I come here now, it's not going to resolve. This is global DNS. All right. I think we just did on verse 53, just local to that machine. Okay. So it will never fly. It will never fly. All right. So we can just put our IP address and move on. Okay. Hmm? Then no babe, no, 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 fine. They make them for money. They look for money. Like take you take time for it to sync. You can register it, but they won't charge you yet. But don't put your card. So it will take time for them to they'll verify it for them collect their money. All right. So what else do we need to do? So that's it now. I just wanted to show us that part. Okay. So now we've set that. We need to set our website now. I'll go and do that git clone, right? Go and clone that guy. So what do I need to do? You want me install, right? Install what? Git. So once that is set, go down website, no do it again. There you do. So I'll do what? Git clone. All right. So git clone, I'm gonna get those files. All right. Uh-huh. Change into that. Enter. Change into Docker images. Enter. All right. So I'm going to do what? Copy. recursively, it's under SSL, HTML SSL. All right. I'm copy HTML SSL into slash var www.html. I have copied. So I'll just go to var www.html. I will see this guy there. All right. So I need to also copy entire content into here. So what I'll do recursively HTML, into what? Copy yourself into yourself. You guys into there. So LL, I have everything. Everything happy. Now come back to our website. It's not good like this. So take the what's it called? The IP address. Take the IP address, paste it, enter. So this is our website, right? So far, this is HTTP. Abi? Now I want to enter HTTPS. Great. So come here. What are the two packages you need to install? Yum install mode underscore what? SSL. Oh shit, hold on 2 times. And open SSL already been now. No need. So that's it. So now that command generates is responsible for generating that SSL.conf. So if you no install am, that file no go dey. It controls that file. So now we have to go into that guy, etc. All right, talk to me, guys. HTTP, conf wetin? Conf D. All right, so check the file dey there, right? So now let's move off first. What do we do? We back off, BKP. All right, now go into this side and remove what is not needed. So you leave this part, which is very important. Okay, remove the rest. All right, so up to here, let's see, keep going. Yeah. No, now the thing too dey messy now. E dey messy. What if you can't get like 20 website and get 20 domain? Your organization get 20 different domain. You see you do am. So you have to move am so that you go get plunk. So if to manage am in the process of manageability can be easier. So you don't need all these things. Na excess. Alright, we don't need it. So you only leave what you need. Document root. These are the things you need to leave. What was our document root? Charity. See that person you have to now you see na be this o. Now I just show you now. Charity dot peacefoundation.org. This is where you now use your verified domain. So no dey important. Verified domain wey only verified globally. This is where you now use it. You don pay money for. Now you go use am. Den okay, now if you wan come get subdomain, subdomain like API dot development dot bob.com, API dot cashpay dot development.com, API na dat zone wey you go go. Dat zone you go put the parent wetin, the parent domain name. Go put wetin? Chris Foundation. You come go further to create wetin? A record. A record go come be API dot chrisfoundation.com. Alright, since it's a verified domain, API just need to come define am im own server block for dis place. E go go. API dot chrisfoundation.com, e go go. Cause chris.com is a verified domain. All right. So this will now lead us to let's encrypt. We'll do let's encrypt by God's grace tomorrow. Okay. So that if you do organization we won't save cost or small startup, instead of go using what they call go buy, go use let's encrypt. Okay. All right. So remind me tomorrow and let's encrypt to charity.this.com. Okay. Don't need all of this. Skip. SSL, put it on, put it on. That's okay. It will undo. I need that to define my parts of my private key. Oh, and that's all. That is all in this part. Okay, that is all. So now, where is my certificate? Save it. It's under root abi slash root. So this is a part to my what? Domain, my key and my what? CRT. Hmm? So I'll go back, then I will say my certificate file is under root slash what? Domain dot crt. Same thing, root slash waiting domain dot what? Dot key. Okay, escape and do waiting, save. What do I do? Restart my what? Service. HTTP what? PD. Done, right? Come to your website. What do we do? If I refresh, because I didn't put a redirect, but let's put a redirect and see something now. All right, redirecting, how to redirect permanent http to https. Let us see. All right, redirect this to http. Let's see. There's a block I need to just put simple block. 5 minutes in this now. Apache, Apache. All right, where's that block? Mm-mm. Now redirect permanent. All right. So this is the block we need to put. This if block. Um um HTTP underscore host. Where is this thing? Okay. Copy this block. All right. Copy that block. Come into your SSL, right? Come to SSL. Is it SSL we need to do it?
Yeah, it's time with
Okay.
coffee. So
Paste it. Okay. So now redirect permanent HTTPS. What's that IP? HTTP side. Okay. Let's move that here. Okay, okay, okay. It will be on the other side. Yeah. It will be on to HTTPS. To be on that side. Why you go put that here? Oh well.
That's not enough. Line saying in the na yes na
Okay, I just want like okay.
actually keep line.
Don't get this in. So escape without saving. All right. So vim dot slash conf slash okay. So it was there, right? So come here. Hey, what you go? Come here and paste it. Redirect this towards waiting. Charity dot Chris Foundation dot what? Org. Okay. Let's see if everything goes well. System. Music go work. Why no work? Wetin you say no work? You wan gum am?
You hold on, huh?
Wetin dey outside? Refresh. Wetin dey outside? You suppose dey inside outside virtual host. No. Sorry na dis thing dey go why pick dis phone?
Continue to see this block. For this block, no go every change. Any space.
Na dis government dey wait. Oh redirect. E suppose be dat IP. No be dat thing you dey talk sef. Wetin you dey talk? You dey talk something you dey talk. Wetin you dey talk? First use wan go man put am o. So HTTPS, that's not a verified domain. That's why you are getting that shit, right? You're getting that shit for our website. No, go.
If you don't want that, you don't come for hours at the site. Stop which is crazy function.
Watch now. Watch. We don't need to. I think where did he go? Where did he take me? Where did he carry me from here? Why is he taking me here? Why is he taking me here? Why am I coming here? Wait to no, there's problem. Wait, enter. You see am now. Okay. So look at that redirect again. Vim, right? So this is it. Redirect permanent. Permanent. Root, the domain. Alright? Perma helps me to advance, proceed. So that brings us to the end of HTTPS using self-signed certificate. Hmm? Next thing we'll do tomorrow is what? Let's encrypt. See this thing we'll do. Take am serious. All these things supposed to be. This is administration. Server administration. Do am back to back. All right, so I'm going to end there for today so that we don't eat up